Hello, everybody. Once again, you're listening to or you're watching the Credit Repair Show with the credit doctor, Angelo McCutcheon. Now, we hopping back on today. We was on yesterday, but we coming back today because we got some important information that we want to talk about in terms of, if you see the title, No Down Payment, No Closing Course program for you to purchase your first home. There's a program out there. You may have heard about it or you may not have heard about it, but we're going to talk about it today. Again, you're watching the Credit Repair Show. I'm your host, the credit doctor, Angelo McCutcheon, helping people repair their credits for over the last 15 years, bringing you all the information, at least most of the information you need so you can understand that you do not have to live with bad credit. And of course, touching on other financial areas to at least give you some education that you may not know. It's a lot of things I didn't know and I don't know. And when I see information that can help me build my financial future, I try to share that with you guys as well. So as you come on in, give us some hearts if you like what we're saying. Give us some thumbs up. Share the video. YouTube, hit the like button, hit the share button, hit the notification bell, and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to all my YouTube followers. Make sure you subscribe. Everybody else, hit that like button, hit that share button as well. All right. So we're going to get into it. We're going to be talking about this no down payment, no closing course program. And what it's called, well, first of all, it's being rolled out by Bank of America. All right. Bank of America has just rolled out this program. Now, it's only available in certain states right now. It's like a test run, but eventually I believe it's going to be opened up, everywhere. So it's good that you get this information now, or it would be good if you get this information now. So when you see it available in your state, your town, your city, you'll kind of know what it's all about. All right. So this program, this program is called the Community Affordable Loan Solution. All right. The Community Affordable Loan Solution, and it's rolled out by Bank of America. And with this program that they're rolling out, for all first-time home buyers, Now, of course, first-time home buyers could mean you buying your very first home. And sometimes with certain programs, you could still be qualified as a first-time home buyer, even if you already purchased a home. You may have to have been in that home maybe 3 years, 4 years, and then you might want to buy another home, and you can, it all depends. But so when we say first-time home buyers, it's really depending on how the program is going to be structured. It may not just be for the person who's buying their home for the first time. It could also mean if you bought a home 3 years after having that home or 4 years after having that home and you want to purchase another home, you may qualify for this program. But once they outline it more, we'll know more about it. All right. So this program, the Community Affordable Loan Solution, is helping people buy their first home. Now, what's so good about it? No down payment is required. No closing cost is required. No mortgage insurance is required. And there is no minimum credit score you need to have to qualify for this loan. All right. Now, of course, with this program that they have right now, it's like I said earlier, it's being tested, right? They rolled it out. They just started talking about it a couple of days ago. but it's being tested in 5 states right now. Let me tell you the states that's being tested in. It's in Charlotte, it's in Dallas, it's in Detroit, it's in Los Angeles, and it's in Miami. All right. So it's right now it's in Charlotte, Dallas, Detroit, Los Angeles, and Miami. So if you live in any one of those states and you're looking to purchase a home, or you're going to want to be a first-time home buyers, you need to go to Bank of America, either their website or go to a branch and get more information about qualifying, what you need to do to qualify. I'm just giving you what they have reported in their press release. All right. And yes, they're targeting, and it says that they're targeting African Americans and Hispanic and Latinos mainly, but anybody can qualify for this. Let me be clear. Anybody can qualify for this or based on what their application or what their qualification is. And the only thing from what I see on their website and what I see, what I read in their press release, is that it's mainly being based on your income, right? Your income and your home location. Your income and your home location. Now, of course, when we talk about income, even with this program that they basically no down payment, no closing costs, they still want to know that you can afford the home. So it's just not a program that if you're not working, you can just go get a home loan, but they still want to know that you can pay for it. So they'll be looking at things according to their press release, according to their website. They'll be looking at your rent payments, have you been making your rent payments on time, your utilities, your car payment, things like that. They'll go through, those structures when you apply. Also, you're going to have to, even before you apply, you're going to have to go through and complete a home buyer certificate or certification course. All right, you're going to have to complete a home buyer certification course, right? Which can be like a week, a day, whatever it is. It'll be set up in whatever city that you have. There'll be approved places that you can actually go to complete the certification course, right? But again, the most important thing about this loan, right, is there is no down payment required. There is no closing costs required. And there is no minimum credit score that they're going to go by to see if you can qualify for this loan. The only thing they're going to be looking at is your income. Are you working? How much are you making? And it's going to go to your debt to income ratio, how much debt you have and compared to how much income you're bringing into your home. Right, and that'll let them know how much you can qualify for, right? A $200,000 mortgage, a $500,000 mortgage, $300,000 mortgage. They'll go through that. But again, this is Bank of America's program. It just got rolled out a few days ago, and I know a lot of people have not heard about it, and some people have heard about it. But I'm just making this known because, the people that follow me either on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, I want to give you this information. Of course, I want you to go and research it yourself, though. Get more information. I'm just trying to give you an outline of what they're talking about. But I need you to really get into it. If you plan on buying a home in the coming year or two, you may want to look into this program. All right. Again, it's called the Community Affordable Loan Solution. And right now, they have a test area, and it's in 5 states right now. And that's Charlotte, Dallas, Detroit, LA, and Miami. But eventually, it's going to get rolled out to most of the states. And yes, that anybody can apply for it. Right, and they're going to base it on your income and your home location. So the best thing you can do is go to Bank of America to get more information on how it works. They're going to require you to complete a home buyer certification course, before you even apply. But this would be a great opportunity if you're looking to buy a home and you may not have the down payment, you may not have the closing costs. Now, keep in mind, the market is slowly starting to come down. What used to be a seller's market, we're now coming into slowly a buyer's market, meaning that there are more homes out there that are trying to be sold than there are people trying to buy homes. And so now, months ago or last year, right, where people were fighting, not physically fighting, but where people were going back and forth trying to purchase a home, paying more than what the home was worth because it was a seller's market. Now that it's becoming a buyer's market, a lot of home people or people selling their home will most likely give you, closing costs at sometimes, right? We know that. Don't get a loan from Bank of America. You can't get no. All right. So again, we're just presenting you with this information. I don't work for Bank of America. I don't endorse Bank of America. I am just giving you this information, something that you might want to look into when it opens up. Again, I just want to come on here for a few minutes and talk about this program. It's called the Community Affordable Loan Solution. It is rolled out by Bank of America. It's set up for first-time home buyers. Right now, it is being tested in Charlotte, Dallas, Detroit, LA, and Miami, eventually to be rolled out to many of the other states. The good thing about it, there's no down payment required, no closing costs required, no mortgage insurance, no minimum credit score. That alone is worth at least looking into it. Eligibility is based on income and home location. Prospective buyers must complete a home buyer certification course. So I just want to present that information to you guys. Drop that in there. Make sure you hit the share button, share this video, let your friends know about it. We'll talk about it more. And as we get more information, we'll put it out more and more. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys. Stay blessed. Whatever you do, stay blessed. What's even more important is that you are